Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. I'm super excited you could join me. Today's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catalog Monday, and my inspiration I found on page 7 in the Occasions catalog. So this is where I got the inspiration from. So let's get started. My card base today, let me talk about some of the products. I'm using the Needlepoint Nook Suite. Now, if you purchase these two together, you bundle up and you save 10%. I love to save money. My ink today, I'm using the Night of Navy, and I'm using some Balmy Blue. I am also using the Stitched Shape Framelits, and I used the largest circle, and I die cut one of these. And for our card base today, this is the Balmy Blue, and this piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is for the inside of the card. This piece is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. I have a piece of Vellum, and this piece is cut at 2.5 by 5 1/4. Now, you will notice on my original, my designer series paper is different. And on this one here, the designer series paper is 1 3/4 by 5. And on this card that I'm going to be doing today, this is 1 inch by 5 1/4. And you will also notice the patterns run in a different direction. So let's get started. So I am going to begin. I'm going to take, now I decided that I was going to do my card this way. So I'm going to grab my big shards. Let me set this all off to the side. And I am going to run this beautiful flowered piece through my big shards. Kind of like on the side in the corner. You are just going to, oops, not hit your tripod. You're going to crank it through. And how pretty is that, you guys? Now, I just cranked that through once, and it's so pretty. So, I am going to attach my designer series paper on top of my vellum. Now, vellum is a little bit tricky when it comes to adding adhesive, because if you add a certain adhesive, you can see it, that it shows up behind it. So, I've got my multi-purpose liquid glue, and this is my glue of choice. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to place it in the middle of my vellum piece, like so. I'm now going to add adhesive, but I'm only going to add it down this strip where my designer series paper is. Because again, I don't want any adhesive to show on the other side. Now I have, let me put that down. I have my score mark here. So that's, I can see my score mark. So that's how I'm going to know where to put my paper. And I'm just going to attach this on the side. Now you can add it from the top, or you can bring it down a little bit. But I like it from the top. I'm just going to add that like so. Now I've got this little butterfly. I'm going to do tone on tone stamping, and I'm going to add a little butterfly there. And again, I went ahead and I die cut this large circle, and with my Night of Navy ink, I'm going to stamp thank you. I need a lot of thank you cards to send to my customers. And I've got friend. And that is from the Needle and Thread stamp set. And now I'm going to come in with that same butterfly and just stamp some butterflies like so. Now you can pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals, or you can just add it straight on to your card. And again, I don't want to cover, like I want this flower kind of sticking out. But again, I'm just going to come in with my multi-purpose glue and I'm going to attach that down there. And you can see, I'm now going to come in with my bone folder and just give that a nice crease. So it gives it a nice crisp edge. So you can see we did two different types of layouts, but they're so pretty and it's so easy, you guys. We love easy. I like easy. So for the inside of the card, you are just going to stamp thank you, friend. And then you're going to just fill it in with your butterflies. So pretty. Just like so. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. You're now going to attach this to your card. It's all rainy outside. It's horrible out there. And this is going to go, ooh, this is going to go on the inside. Just like so. And I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you on Wednesday. Take care.